Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm going to show you how to make this crochet cold shoulder sweater. Start by making a foundation double crochet. Start with a slip knot and then chain 3. Yarn over and insert your hook into the first chain, and then pull the yarn through. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through one loop. This creates the foundation stitch. And then you'll just finish the double crochet as normal. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. From here on out, you're going to insert your hook into that foundation stitch that we made, pull through 1 to create the next foundation stitch, and then finish the double crochet. Keep going until you have a foundation chain that's long enough to fit around your body, and it should be an even number of stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 2, and this does not count as a stitch, so you're going to make a double crochet stitch in that same chain. Now we'll begin the textured stitching. You're going to do a front post double crochet around the next stitch. It's just like a regular double crochet, except that you insert your hook around the post instead of through the top. Then regular double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet in the one after that, and continue repeating the pattern all the way around. Join with a slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet. Remember that chain 2 at the beginning didn't count. Chain 2 to begin the next round. Front post double crochet around that first double crochet, and then double crochet into the front post double crochet. So it's the opposite of what we did last time, alternating the pattern all the way around. Join with a slip stitch, chain 2, and then repeat the double crochet, front post double crochet all the way around, doing the opposite of what you did in the last round. You could keep going until you have the sweater the length that you want it, or you can stop and switch colors partway through like I did here. The sweater is worked from the top down, so this is the color at the top of the sweater, and if you switch colors, it's going to be the colors going down the sweater. On the last stitch of the round, when you have only 2 loops left on the hook, join the next color to finish the stitch. Then join the round with a slip stitch with the new color. Then continue on with your sweater until you have it the length you want, or until you want to switch colors again. Now my sweater is the length I want it to be in 3 colors. I'm going to add a finishing round at the bottom in a 4th color, and it's going to be 2 rounds of half double crochet. So just chain 1 and then half double crochet all the way around, join, chain 1 and do another round. At the very end, we're going to join with an invisible join. This makes the edge of the sweater seamless where there's no knots. Now we'll make a sleeve. Start with a round of foundation double crochets that fits around your upper arm. It's the same pattern as the sweater, just in a smaller round. To make the sleeves tapered, we'll have to add some decreases. So when the length of the sleeve gets to around above your elbow, you're going to want to start decreasing it. The first stitch will be normal. Then we'll do a decrease stitch where we combine the next 2 stitches. So start the stitch as normal, and when there's 2 loops left on the hook, start your next stitch. And then when there's 3 loops left on the hook, you pull through all 3 of them. So you have 2 stitches, but it's only 1 stitch. And then do the same thing again. So we'll have 2 decreases in this round. See, it's only 3 stitches when we stitched in 5 stitches. The rest of the round is normal. The next round will be normal, but I'll show you how to stitch into the decreases. So when you do a front post double crochet, you're going to go around both of those stitches for the decrease. When you do a regular double crochet, you're going to want to go underneath that extra loop to hide it. Then finish the round as normal. So you're going to add those 2 decreases every 3rd row until the sleeve is as tight as you want it to be. Just make sure it still fits over your hand, and switch colors whenever you want to, same way as we did on the sweater part. So now I've marked my sweater where I want my straps to be. Join your yarn and make a chain as long as you want your strap to be. And then join the chain on the other side and repeat for the other strap. For the neckline, join a piece of yarn on the back of the sweater. Chain 1 and half double crochet in the same stitch and all the way across. When you get to the strap, half double crochet in the same stitch as the strap join, and then on every chain across the strap. So here I've half double crocheted across the strap, then put one in the same stitch that the strap ends. And then half double crochet across the front neckline and over the neck strap, across the back, and then join. Then you're going to do 2 more rounds of half double crochets for a total of 3 for this border. Next, we're going to attach the sleeves. I put the seam of the sleeve on the underarm so it's hidden. For this part, you might need to try it on and figure out where you want your sleeve attached. I marked mine with stitch markers, how many stitches on the sleeve were attached to the sweater, and lined them up. I attached the sleeve to the sweater with stitch markers because this part can get a little confusing if it's not attached. We're going to do the same thing we did for the neckline. Start in the back so the join will be less visible. We're going to go up the strap and down and around the outside of the sleeve. For the left sleeve, it goes around the top of the sleeve first and then the strap. And again, it's going to be 3 rounds of half double crochets total. So here I'm showing you I stitched around the outside of the sleeve, and then next we'll go up the strap. The underarm part is still not attached yet. So then you're left with this gap for the underarm, and we'll just stitch it closed. Just line up the stitches and stitch across. And the sweater is complete. All that's left is to weave in all of the ends.